Would we stop the party? Let's keep going. Let's make them more difficult. Keep it, turn it into multiplication, flip it over. So if you see something like this and you panic and you say, oh, I don't know which one to flip, keep, flip. Always the one after the division sign. So we will keep, flip. And when I say keep, we're really going to go ahead and factor. Okay, now something fantastic is going to happen in this denominator here, and that fantasticness is this. That 81 minus x squared, we've been through this before, can be turned around into x squared minus 81, not just magically, because that would be wrong. We could do this, but then if we factor a negative 1 out, it makes it valid. So let's do that. Let's do that. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and factor it. X plus 9, x minus 9. So all this, right over there, is negative, and then x plus 9, x minus 9. Okay, 2x in the numerator, that monomial, we're not going to mess with it. We can factor this, x plus 4, x plus 6, divided by. Okay, flip it over, factor at the same time. X minus 4 was in the numerator, now it's in the denominator. And then x plus something and x plus something. Two things multiplied to give me 54. 6 and 9. Okay, let's start canceling. Cancel within the fractions if you can, but nothing cancels. But what we will do is cancel anywhere in the numerator with anywhere in the denominator, and that is totally okay because we really just have a whole bunch of stuff multiplied together. They're all factors. We're going to get to a lesson later where they're not. Oh no. What are we going to do? This cancels with that. That factor with that factor, this one with this one. This factor cancels with this one. And don't know what this one cancels with because we don't have a sign on it. Oh well. It was positive. All right, that means that this one is going to cancel with this one. And we are left with nothing else that cancels. We have 2x over negative 1. And that's fine, and it's correct, and no one's going to beat you up for it. But it's negative 2x. Wow, all that reduced to negative 2x. Oh, I forgot one. Oh dear. X minus 9. Okay, could leave it like this. You could put the negative in the numerator. Totally okay. Either one of these is fine. My goodness, overlooked that whole factor staring me in the face. Let's do this one. Man, that looks like fun. Looks like lots of fun. This one's going to take a couple steps. GCF first. GCF here is 6x. That gives me x squared minus x minus 30. Let's see, no GCF, but I will have x plus, not 4, no. 6 and x plus 8. Times, okay. Reciprocate, flip over the one after the division symbol. Don't change this one, it's after a multiplication symbol. Change this one instead. Okay, denominator becomes the numerator. This is going to take a little work here. We are going to factor out an x, but let's factor out a negative x so we can turn this around. That's going to make it x squared minus 64. Yes, that factors some more. There's going to be another step. Like I said, we're going to have to factor this one. We have a GCF here. Let's see, x squared minus 14x plus 48. And then times x plus 6, x plus 8. And then x, let's see, 8 and 5. Double check everything, make sure we're good before we move on. I'd hate to mess up, have to start the whole video over and pretend like nothing happened wrong, while quietly on the inside I would be crying because I would have wasted all that time. Okay, yeah, we're good. We have more factoring to do. If you want to go ahead and start canceling out entire factors, you can. So I'm going to do that while continuing to factor at the same time. So let's see. We can cancel this and this with this and this. We can cancel lots of good stuff later. But one more thing we can cancel. We can cancel this x with this one or this one. It doesn't matter which one. Let's just use this one right here since it's right above it. All right, let's keep going. More work to do. 6x, more factoring. Factoring never hurt anybody. There we go. Over what? It's gone. Over 1. When it canceled out, it was 1 left. Okay, negative, and then we'll factor this one. This is x plus 8x minus 8. And then down here, we're going to have x minus 6 and x minus 8. Yep, something's going to cancel there too. And then over here, we're going to have 1, and then x plus 8, and then x minus 5. I'm so tempted, to fix this 5 and make it look like a 5. I'm tempted to cancel this 1 with that 1, and then get what? 1s? You already had those, so don't play that game. It's a waste of time. Da-dun, da-dun. Da-dun, da-dun. Da-dun, da-dun. Da-dun, da-dun. No. X plus 5 does not cancel with x minus 5. They are two very separate factors. All right, numerator that's left is 6x, x plus 5, and a negative 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Sorry, that was dumb. I'm embarrassed by that. 6x times negative 1, so negative 6x and x plus 5. And the denominator is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times x minus 5. Before I go any further, let me make sure I'm not accidentally lying to you somewhere. That'd be tragic if I was. I think we're good. That's it.